Today's topic is Elijah and the widow of Zarephath. Many widows were in Israel when heaven was shut up 3 years and 6 months. There was a great famine throughout the land, but none of the widows there was Elijah saved, save the Zarephath, a city of Jindor, the woman that was widow. Luke 4:25-26. History tells us it was happened in 850 BC. Elijah approached the widow and said, "Give me water, and I pray thee, give me bread." Then widow quickly answered, "As the God of Israel, who liveth, I have not a cake, but handful of meal in the barrel and the little oil in cruse." Then Elijah said, "Fear not, the God of Israel will provide you a barrel of meal will not waste, and cruse of oil will not fail, until the God send the rain to the Israel." In this story, a real miracle of Elijah tell us that God's providence is each one of us. I'll give the example. You said that we have become Christians, or we have become religious, we have become followers of Jesus because of some pastor's work or some missionaries' work. But it is a halfly correct. They just nurture us and put the seed into the land. Then God gives the life to these seeds and He blossom it. That's why God has made us Christian, make us believers, and make us the children of His kingdom. Another thing is, the God sees your unseen and many years, many days, many hours misery, and He look into your misery to solve the misery of a certain times. He takes a certain time, certain minutes, certain days, certain years. And many people, many Christians, I talk to Christian people, or unbelieving, they do novenas, they do many prayers in the home, at home, but sometimes their prayers are not heard. I'll give my very instant example. I was having my birthday. I'm a doctor, but I was having my birthday, and that day I have called all my friends. But unfortunately, I was not having a penny in my pocket. Once a panwala came and he said that, "Namaste, Dr. Saab." I said, "Okay, namaste." Then he put 5 notes. There was a 1,000 notes in my pocket, and he said, "It is for your birthday gift from me, because I have helped him very much in his bad days. I have given TV also, I have given this my cooler also as a free or something." But instantly within, I pray to God, what shall I do in my birthday or something. Instantly He has given me 5,000 for celebrate my this birthday. Another example I'll give to you. I was having trouble with a coat or something. Then one of my worker has said that I have taken bribe or something. But when I stand with the court, then court, his name was Paranjali or something, he said, this person, I have seen many criminals, but I have not saw like this person. I am seeing this, he is a very simple person, he has not done anything, leave them. Instantly, inspector has let me and all the case has been finished, all the so God's providence and many miracles in my life happens. So we must trust on God. We must wait for His timing. We must continue in our prayer. We must struggle our situation as it is. That widow woman was struggling more than 1 year, more than 2 years or something, and she was having a child. And Elijah, God has sent Elijah to give a relief, and the oil and that meal or a flour that was for 3 years God has provided because of Elijah's prayer. Other thing is that Elijah has a simple example that one should go to miserable people, those who are having a problem, and then we should visit them, and then we should help them in their miserable time, in their hardship, and in their any requirement. So we must help them. God sends many inclination, any inspiration, any that is we called lahar, or we can say any like a mobile this spring come out. So many he sends in our mind that go and help that man, go and help that woman, go and help that child, or go there in that country or something. God gives the indications in our